Hello everyone. Here is another video for the revision of checkpoint exams. So the question that I have here, the diagram shows a circle with horizontal diameter, here is the diameter, and vertical diameter drawn. Use the diagrams to construct an inscribed regular octagon. So now octagon should have 8 sides, right? So if we join these ones, here you will see there are 4 sections and it will become a square. So if we divide this in the middle, you are going to get the number of sides as 8. So let's see. So just choose this arc from here and make middle arc here, another side from here from the 2 corners like this, right? So then we can just draw a line through the center. So like this it's going to divide, 2 sides will be enough. Just the dotted line. You guys must use pencil for that. If you made mistake, then you can just correct it. So you can choose another arc from here, open your compass more than half, then draw an arc like this, right? Then from the other corner here like this. Now again let's join this one. Let's join this one to make another division of the middle part of through center like this arc from here should join this center. So then extend the line. Now you see we have now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 sections. So join each section, that will make a shape of octagon like this. So join carefully. So each these the point at the corners. See, so this is an the shape of the octagon, regular octagon. They all are having the same sides, right? So number 16, Naomi measures the mass of each of 50 bananas. This is the class interval frequency. Draw a frequency polygon to show this information. So frequency polygon, you need to have the midpoint of this 100 and 110. So you will take the middle of this, and the frequency is 12. So you can mark the frequency. Maximum frequency is here 17. So if we put 2 4 6 8 10 12 14, yeah, that will work. 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 and 18. This side we are already given. So we will take the middle of that, and then 12 is here. Just put a cross, or you can put a dot. This is done. The next one between this, it is 15. 15 is going to come over here in the middle. 17 between 120 and 30. 17 is there. And then 430 between this one is 4 is over here, and then we have 2 between this, 2 is here. Now just join these through by the ruler. So that's going to give us like this. You must join them in order the way we have plotted them. Okay, so that's it. Now draw a ring around the class interval that contains median mass. And so median mass here is going to be, so how many we have this here, 50 bananas. We have 50 bananas. 50 divided by 2, it is 25. So when you add this is 7 and 27. So that means 110 and 120. So 27th value is going to come over here. So that is the median interval, 110 and 120. We'll put ring around here. Now we have here question number 17. Find the value of 10 power 3 and 29 times 10 power minus 3. So now you see I can write it down as 1 over 10 power 3 because this is negative, so we can bring it down. So this and this is cancelled, so final answer is 29, right? Now next question, the values of a, b, c are a is 10, b 7, c is 4. Tick to show if each value of this expression is equal to 64, not equal to 64. So let's just substitute the values, then we will see 6a plus c. 6a plus c, let me just write it here. 6a plus c, 6 into a is 10 and c is 4. 6 times 14. 84. 84 is not equal to 64. So that means not equal to 64. The second one is a square plus 28 over 2. A is 10. 10 squared plus 28 over 2. 10 squared is 100 plus 28 divided by 2. 128 divided by 2, which is equal to 64. So we will tick equals to 64. Next one, 6 minus 2b squared. 6 minus 2b. Now value of b. b is 7 squared. 6 minus 2 times 7 is 14. 14 minus 6 is negative 8, which is 64 again. So this is also 64. Sorry. Now we have b square plus c square minus 1. Remember the values you need to be careful. Don't substitute any other value. B square is 7 square. C is 4 squared minus 1. This is 49 plus 16 minus 1. 9 plus 6, 5. 65 minus 1. Again it is 64. So this is also equals to 64. Right, now number 19, calculate this value. So we can easily calculate that. 3 times 4, 12. 12 plus 1 is 13 minus over 4 minus 2. This is 3 over 2 plus 3, 1, 4 over 3. Right, to make the denominator same, we are going to multiply here this by 3 and this by 2. So we have here 9 over 6 plus 8 over 6, right? So now denominator is same. You can just write the numerator as addition. 9 plus this is 4 minus 17 over 6. So now to make this same, we can multiply by 6 and 4 then, or you just take the LCM. Let me multiply here by 6, here by 4. 13 times 6 is 78 minus 17 times 4, 68 over 24. So which is 78 minus 68. Wait a minute. 13 times 6, 78. 17 times 4 is 68. So this is 10 over 24. So 2 times 5 and this 5 over 12 is final answer, right? Now next one, write the correct power of this. So 6 power 5 minus 1. So it will be 6 power 4 because they are in multiplication and powers will be added and this is negative. So this is division. So it will be 8 minus 2. This is negative. So this is going to be 6. And this is 1 over 9 squared and it can be 9 power minus 2. So 9 power minus 2. Right, so that's it for this revision video. Remaining question we will do in the next one. Thank you so much guys. Be blessed. See you in the next video.